afraid of heights, so down we go to the Hoover Dam. Yay! It's 15, folks. It's 15. Let's not get crazy. 15. Just to speed ahead. Whoa! Don't judge me. I'm recording. Be your own videographer. Whee! The bridge. Ooh, look at the bridge. Oh, another fucking Tesla. God damn, I've seen like 50,000 of them. Look at all the people up there.
In 1,000 feet, turn left.
Thank you, GPS. Oh, Dodge, I see mine. Oh my god, like every day. Oh my god, look how big that is.
In 800 feet, turn left.
Thank you, woman. Whee! The Hoover Dam! Why did you turn orange, my friend? Get off the rumbles. There we go.
Turn left, then you will arrive at your destination.
No, I'm not turning left. Don't want to turn left. What are you doing? Oh, what a messy. It's like they're from
Head
Kansas or
northeast on
something.
Hoover Dam Access Road toward NB 172. In half a mile, you will